In 1892, Boston experienced the worst blizzard of all time, bringing in 27.5 inches of snow. Many years later, in 1978, the second worst blizzard hit Boston, bringing in 27.1 inches. Now, 35 years later, I stand here in the Boston Commons in 2013 with what could be one of the worst or the worst blizzard of all times. I'm Erin Farley here with your update on the blizzard in Boston. Right now we're experiencing about 21.8 inches of snow. Now that total update was from this morning at 7 a.m. It's around 1:30 right now, so we're waiting for the estimated updated total. Now a lot more snow has been dumped on Boston, so we're really expecting that total to skyrocket. As you can see, Bostonians, they are not staying indoors. We've seen people skiing, people jogging, and as you can see behind me, people are out there and they're sledding down that hill in the Boston Commons. Let's take a look at how Bostonians are handling the storm.
Oh yeah, that was good.
Reporting in Boston, I'm Erin Farley.